Ang question ko lamang po, we were talking about the 13 Chinese nationals. At doon sa 13 na Chinese nationals na yon, meron siyang tatlong mga bata. Merong 14 years old, merong 15 years old, at merong 18 years old. So kung sakaling totoo yung sinasabi ng former president that he killed everybody, yeah, for the love of the country, involving those children, this is something that is so serious, no? And we have to take it seriously talaga. And I just wanted to know, asan na tong 13 taong ito? Sa ngayon, Wilkins, we don't know the whereabouts of these 13 Chinese nationals.
Mr. Chair, talagang ang makakasagot nito is Bureau of Immigration. Tama yung sabi ni Congress Representative Luistro na tingnan yung travel record. Kasi talagang nirelease ng BID. It's the BID na makakasagot nito, Mr. Chair. Mas madadali kung makuha talaga yung travel records ng mga taong ito, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, yun lamang gusto kong medyo maintindihan. And kailangan po magkaroon tayo ng closure dito sa isyong to. No? Very bothering po itong pati bata ay kung talagang pinatay ng former president to ay medyo bothering to that even the Chinese embassy must be aware of what happened. What about the Chinese embassy? Ano naging reaction nila on these Chinese nationals? Have we invited the Chinese embassy during that time? Because these are all Chinese nationals. So basically, these criminals must be turned over to them, correct? Have we included the Chinese embassy?
Hindi ko pa alam kung anong action talaga ng Bureau of Immigration, Mr. Chair. Kaya,
a while ago, you were mentioning, Gerald Wilkins, that it was a comprehensive briefing that you have conducted.
yes, sa mga VIPs
Yeah.
na dumating on this January 1st, Mr. Chair.
And who conducted that briefing?
Ako po.
No, I mean, who invited all those personalities, the VIPs?
Mr. Chair, coming from Manila po sila
What I mean is like, who invited? Are they the one who started the the meeting, or sila po ba nagpatawag, or it was you who have invited those VIPs?
Sinundo,
Sino
Mr. Chair, ano po yun? Yung VIP o yung, ano po yung tanong niyo po ulit?
You were telling us, di ba, na meron kayong kinonduct na briefing, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Involving the immigration, Angelo Reyes.
Walang,
A while ago, you were telling that. I heard you.
yes, pero hindi ko alam kung may immigration doon, Mr. Chair. Kasi ang sinalubong namin from the airport, yung Davao International Airport,
Yes.
merong isang VIP room doon, Mr. Chair. Yun yung holding area namin na
So,
lahat ng VIPs.
who are those people? I mean, sila ba nag-start nung nagpatawag nung briefing, or it was you?
Ako po, hindi po. Sinundo ko po sila. So, while magkakasabay sila, General Reyes, General Aglipay, General De Leon, General Abinido.
So they
Magkakasabay
went
sila.
there on their own volition?
From Manila.
They went there on their own volition, or you're the one who called them over?
No, they decided to come over sa Davao City because of that anti-drug operation, Mr. Chair. So what I did is para isahang briefing, doon ako sa airport lounge nag-conduct ng briefing for all of them. Bago i-travel sila papuntang Dumoy Laboratory so that alam nila ano yung i-expect nila doon sa area.
Alright.
So I decided to conduct the briefing for them. During that time, walang immigration doon, Mr.
So
Chair.
wala ka na remember that Chinese embassy were
Wala po, wala
Okay.
po.
Sige, yun lang po, Mr. Chairman. Maraming salamat.
The resource person, especially to General Wilkins. Mr. Chairman, the last statement made, kasi kanina wala ako dito, nung sinalaysay yung nangyari talaga sa Dumoy, yung pagkamatay, when he stated that yung pinakahuli na Chinese national na namatay, sinakal daw yung isang ahente. Eh, sinakal lang pala eh. Ba't pinatay? Di ba? Is it commiserate? Eh, kung sinakal lang, ibig sabihin nun, baka wala siyang baril. Mr. Chairman, kaya ako, ang daming inconsistencies. Ayaw ko nga, hindi ko nga kita tinatanong, this is just my manifestation. Eh, yung mga statement, in fact, Mr. Chairman, to add my manifestation, ang daming nakakalimutan si General Wilkins, pero yung mga pizza, hindi niya nakakalimutan. At hindi pa ito tapos. Pag dumating yung official document ng PIDEA, doon tayo po magkakaalaman-alaman. Pero once again, Mr. Chairman, nagtataka po ako sa statement na yung pang-anim o yung last na namatay, sinakal pa nga yung isang agent ng PIDEA daw o ng agent nila General Wilkins. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Again, I don't need the reply from
General La Peña at saka si Yusek Gumban, hindi po ba pursuant to the law which was already in existence in 2004, tama po ba? Yung Republic Act 9165, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Kung ang operations are anti-illegal drugs, ang PDEA ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
That's right, sir.
Yusek Gumban, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General Wilkins, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, in other words, yung lahat po na nangyayari from December 31 to January 5, dapat kayo po ang nakakaalam dahil kayo po ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa pagsasagot nyo po sa amin, parang hindi nyo po alam yung nangyari. Kasi you stated that you do not even know kung sino yung mga pumunta sa Arlene apartment. For example, if I asked you, what is the distance between the Arlene apartments at saka yung chemical warehouse sa Agdao?
Siguro, Mr. Chair, mga 5 minutes ride. 3 to 5 minutes ride.
Yes. Ni-raid nyo na yung Agdao, yung Arlene apartments. January 1, bumalik kayo sa 5 minutes na lugar from Arlene apartment, ni-raid nyo yung warehouse doon. January 4.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi wala kaming search warrant noon, Mr. Chair.
Saan?
Sa Agdao warehouse, Mr. Chair, wala kaming warrant eh.
Wala rin kayong warrant sa Arlene eh.
Doon sa Arlene naman, Mr. Chair, kasi sumama naman yung mga tao, Mr. Chair eh.
Hindi yun ang issue eh. Ang issue doon is, did you have a search warrant to that? Are you telling me that you can enter any place? A private place without any warrant of arrest, search warrant?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko alam kung ano yung
O,
actual
ikaw
na
ang
nangyari.
Office
Yes,
of
Mr.
Primary
Chair.
Responsibility. You are not accepting responsibility dahil hindi nyo ma-explain kung nasaan yung 13 na Chinese. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right, thank you so much. Now I will be